SaaS has been going through like a SaaS apocalypse, as I call it. And then the credit is even worse, right? Like credits, they have no upside. The only upside is their yield, but there's infinite downside. So SaaS credit is questionable. Now, the answer is who's going to eat that cash flow? It's going to be the AI companies. Thing is, you can't give a loan to an AI company, right? You're not giving a loan to an AI. You're giving a loan against the GPUs.
Right.
Because that's the only thing that's hard and that's physical that they own. That really is the value. Like how much value is there in the app versus the LLM? How much value is there in the LLM versus NVIDIA, which is 80% of the costs? Yeah, everything's just paying down the GPU loans. Everything. It is interest rate of intelligence. And the idea is that like if everything is driven by an AI basis, it's not the cash flows of the app. It's not the cash flows of the LLM. It's really what you can actually give a loan to. You can no longer give unsecuritized corporate loan because the theory of the firm is being questioned with AI because you're one prompt away. Really, the only thing you can give a loan to in the entire stack here, it's not in the company, in the corporate. It's not in the transaction structure. It's not in the AI company. It's in the GPU. So the concept is like in 10 years, like on Bloomberg, are you really going to be trading corporate like credit, or are you going to be trading GPU loans? And I think GPU debt-backed financing is not a niche sector. It's a replacement of all SaaS credit, of all credit in every single sector.